University of Education, Lahore, was established in 2002, and it is the only specialized institution in the country for teachers' education. And it was upgradation of the historic College of Teachers Education of Lahore, which was established in 1880, and the second College of Teachers Education for female teachers, which was established in 1933. So over the years, this institutions has expanded into many campuses.
University of Education Attock campus was established in 2003 to provide quality teacher education in this region. Today, UE Attock campus stands tall as the first choice destination of aspiring students. University of Education Bank Road campus Lahore was established in 1933. Its first name was Lady McLagan Training College. In September 2002, with the establishment of University of Education, it is functional, being UE campus exclusively for females. University of Education DG Khan campus was established as Government College of Education in 1989 and became the University of Education campus in 2002. University of Education Faisalabad campus was established in 1961 and its first name was Government College for Evaluators of Primary Education in West Pakistan. University of Education Jaharabad campus was a normal school in 1956 and became a Government College of Elementary Teachers in 1971 and converted into a University of Education campus in 2006. University of Education Lower Mall campus Lahore was established in 1880 as Government College of Education. In 2002 it was declared as UE Lower Mall campus Lahore. University of Education Multan campus was established in 1975. Its first name was Government College of Education. In 2002 it became UE Multan campus. University of Education Township campus Lahore was established in 1979. It became UE Main Campus Lahore in 2002 since UE was established. University of Education Vehari campus was established as a Government College for Elementary Teachers for Women in January 1999. In 2006 it was granted the status of a campus of University of Education, Lahore.
We have 4 faculties which are functional, and these faculties are offering wide range of disciplines.
The Division of Arts and Social Sciences holds a prominent place in the university and is responsible for the development of new academic programs in arts and social sciences. The Division of Education is responsible for the development of new academic programs in teacher education that are subsequently offered at all the university campuses and the affiliated colleges. The Division of Management and Administrative Science strives to achieve academic excellence in the fields of economics and business administration. The Division of Science and Technology is offering 10 undergraduate programs and 5 graduate programs in morning and evening shifts in the field of natural sciences and information technology.
This university has a large student number. We have 26,000 students of our own campuses. We have 65 affiliated colleges. About 12,000 students are on the affiliated colleges. So altogether, we have about 38,000 students. Faculty is highly qualified. Over 50% of our faculty is a PhD. and over 500 regular faculty members and some of the visiting faculties, altogether offering quality undergraduate program, MPhil program, PhD program. Beside that, we are working in collaboration with different international organizations like US Consul General and offering English Access Program, English Works Program in different campuses. All these facilities provide leadership qualities to our graduates. We look forward to see you all here, Pakistan Paindabad.